Grassland agriculture undergirds a $450 to $500 million livestock economy in Kentucky. Our farmers are exceptionally anxious to produce all of the high-quality feed that they possibly can. Our beef cattle numbers are growing by leaps and bounds, and our dairy cattle income is continuing to stay on the high plane that it was established 17 years ago. Work done here at the College of Agriculture at the university on renovating grasslands is spreading throughout the state to the tune of something like 500,000 acres a year. This is work that was initiated under research conditions and is being applied to help feed this growing and dynamic livestock industry. We started with straight grass stands, as you see here, and we have introduced legumes at a very nominal cost and in a system that will be effective quite often. It's another system of converting research into applied use by farmers on a massive scale. Warren Thompson, College of Agriculture, University of Kentucky.